So here I've got the ocaml-repl running on plan 9. There I've entered an expression, hit enter, we get the result. Now here I've started Acme, and in a tag I'm going to middle click on this win ocaml expression, and that will open up a REPL inside of Acme. And that works the same way. I can enter an expression there, hit enter, we get our result. Okay, so I've opened up this file with some ocaml expressions in it. And so we can do things like I will select this expression. While I'm holding down the left button, I'll cut and paste, put it in the snarf buffer, and down here, I can paste it. So, simple stuff like that, just copy and pasting expressions into the REPL. Something else you can do is if you put an expression in the snarf buffer by cutting and pasting, you can just come down here to this REPL window and middle click on send, and it will send whatever's in the snarf buffer. So that's okay, but what else can we do? I've loaded our ocaml file again, and I have this expression in the tag area, set REPL ocaml. So I'm going to middle click that, and it launches the ocaml REPL. Now I can come in here and select an expression, middle click it, and just by middle clicking it, it automatically gets routed to this window. Come to this expression, do that one a couple of times, we'll define a function, and then we'll call it. So what's happening here in Acme is when I ran set REPL ocaml, it opened up an ocaml REPL in another window, and this source window specified this REPL as the target. So this is the window ID is 4 in Acme, and so here in our source file it's saying the target is has ID 4. And then middle click has been overridden to send the expression to that REPL window. You can do the same thing with RC instead of ocaml. So normally if you have a file with some RC expressions in it, and you middle click it, it goes to a window and the output appears there. So there I've done a couple of expressions. I'll do this one. And so the output's basically collecting in that window. However, if I instead do set REPL RC, we get the RC window as we expect. However, now if I middle click on the expressions here, the input is sent to the window, and of course it's then executed. So there I did PWD, I'll do date, I'll do this one, and then the last one. And you can also do multiple. So if I select those two, they both get sent. I can select them all, they both get sent, keep middle clicking, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions.